Hi guys, so this is a part 2 video of the DIY portable soil tester. In the last video we have finalized the breadboard prototype. The aim of today's video is to complete it and make it a standalone project. Before going to the video, make sure that you show your support by hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon nearby. To complete the project we need the following components: a prototype board, soldering iron, female header pins, solder lead, flux, and also a lithium ion charging module. We also need a small lithium ion battery. So now let us take a look at the charging module that we are going to use. This is a TP4056 protection circuit module. It also has an indicator that shows whether the battery is charged or not. Once the battery is fully charged, the red light will turn into green. So here I have went for a modular type of approach. I have used the female header pins so that I can make standoffs onto which I can connect the modules. So each module can be reused for other projects. So by referring the circuit diagram, I use a solder to make a path like a PCB itself. Now I am going to fast forward the mounting procedure of each and every modules. Now let's switch on the finalized project. It's booting up. Another advantage of using this charger module is that you can keep this for charging and use it like a product itself, a standalone product. Now let us look at the logic of the program. First we need to include all the libraries. The first DHT-H is for the DHT11 humidity, then SPA and wire for the I2C protocol, Adafruit for the OLED screen. The defined DHT11 pin is given for assigning the pin in which the signal is got from the DHT sensor. Here the analog pin A0 is used to get the values from the soil moisture sensor. The in moisture in percentage and the map low and map high are used to collect the moisture sensor value and convert it to percentage. Now in void setup we need to set three things. One for serial begin to monitor the serial monitor, then the display.begin inside which there is an address. This address is specific to the OLED screen. Display.clear.display. It is to clear the display during boot up. Instructions inside void loop keeps on executing forever. First we need to set the text size. We are setting the text size to 1. Then we will set its color as white. Then we will set the cursor in X and Y axis. Now it is 0, 0. Then we will print temperature on the screen. Then the next thing we would need to write on the screen is the temperature value. For that we are calling DHT.temperature. Similarly for the humidity we do the same thing as shown here. After that we are going to take the analog value from the rain sensor. So we can see that the A0 is the analog value which is converted into percentage by this function. Then that is also printed down in the display below. You can see below that there is a serial dot print for each thing. This is to debug so that we can see the real-time values in the computer screen in the serial monitor. Thank you for watching and see you next time.